Hey guys, today we are going to take a look at identifying bases and powers. Hopefully you have a writing utensil and a notebook in front of you. At the top of your notebook, go ahead and write identifying base and power. Okay, we're going to look at the number 8 to the 5th power. My 8 is my base, so go ahead and label it base. And the 5 is your power, or what we have said before as your exponent. And remember, just like I did before, we read that 8 to the 5th power. Just to review, if we were putting that in our calculator, which I'm going to scoop my notebook for a second. If we were putting that in our awesome calculator, which I need to turn on, we would click 8, this caret button, which is above x squared, caret 5. That equals 32,768. All right, I'm going to slide my notes, and just to write it, as a reminder for ourselves, in our calculators, if we wanted to solve 8 to the 5th power, we would put our 8 button, our caret button, and our 5, which equals, I gotta look at my calculator, 32,768. All right, sweet. So let's go back to our bases and powers. Remember, we need some lovely vocabulary terms, which I know you guys absolutely love. Your base is what's being multiplied by itself. And I will pause that because you guys have the wonderful option of having my left hand in all of your notes. So your base is what's being multiplied by itself, whereas your power is how many times it's being multiplied by itself. All right, sweet. So hopefully you now can see that without my left hand being in the video. I like to box vocabulary terms. You are more than welcome to do the same. All right, so let's take a look at a few examples. All right, so our first example is 2/3, and I'm going to put parentheses around my 2/3 to the 5th power. Our base, which remember, base means what is being multiplied by itself. Well, our base is our 2/3. And our power, or our exponent in this example, 5. Sweet, let's look at another example. What if I saw y to the 5th power? Our base, or what's being multiplied by itself, our y, and our power to the 5th power. All right, let's look at a few different examples that you may encounter. You may also see something like -4 to the 3rd power. Our base, hopefully you're already writing things in before I'm answering them. -4, it's being multiplied by itself. Our power, or our exponent, the how many times? 3. All right, guys, last example. Let's throw some more variables in there. what if we have something like xy to the 8th power? Our base here is both of our variables. So our base is xy, and our power in this situation, or exponent, is 8. All right, guys, now that you have some notes on identifying base and power, go ahead and check your grid and complete the 1A assignment.